Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video was totally unplanned. I was just bored and I wanted to do something with my hair. So it's not perfect, but I just wanted to show y'all a little quick style that you could do if you're bored or you just need to do something with your hair. So I'm using this leave-in conditioner by my African Pride, just spraying it all over my hair just to make sure my hair is thoroughly moisturized. So for this hairstyle, I decided to do a side part because I just love side parts in general. So I'm just taking a little piece from the front and I'm sectioning that off. That part between what I'm putting up and the rest of my hair, that doesn't even matter because it's all going to be brushed together in the end. So I'm just spraying a little bit more leave-in conditioner on there, and then I'm just going to detangle my hair a bit. This is going to make sure that I can put my hair in a ponytail nice and smoothly and that my hair will lay more flat. So now to work on the swoop, I guess. I'm just putting that in half, and then I'm using my Eben New York edge control and I'm putting that on top, and then I'm following up with some Eco Styler gel because that's all I had, and I'm just using my Denman brush, combing that out, and then I'm going to use a bristle brush just to make it lay a little bit flatter. So this next part is optional. You don't have to do this. You can wrap your hair with a scarf, but this was just easier for me. I had the blow dryer on low heat and I only did this for about 7 seconds and my hair was just like molded to my head. Not in a bad way, but it really held. So you can use a blow dryer if you like. If not, that's cool too. And I'm just going to do the same thing to this part as well. So this swoop is so different for me because usually when I do swoops, like when I was in high school and stuff and I used to wear my hair in like low buns, my swoop would be deep, like the Aaliyah swoop, like my eye covers. So I was trying to make my swoop at least hit the top of my eyebrow, but it wasn't cooperating. It was like, we ain't, that's not gonna happen. So I had to stick with this type of swoop. I mean, it's absolutely fine, but I love my deep swoops. So I'm just brushing that all together now, and I'm going to put it in a nice sleek low bun. And y'all, I know my kitchen is jacked up, okay? I know it looks a hot mess, but don't judge me in my life. I'm gonna get it taken care of, so just don't judge me. But I'm taking my blow dryer and just doing the same thing I did to the other pieces because I want to make sure that the very top of this and everything, since it's put together, is going to be nice and molded. So I'm taking some Kanekalon hair that I had braided in my closet. I think it's like 3 packs I braided, and I'm just taking that rubber band and putting it around my hair bun, and then I'm taking the rest of the hair and wrapping it around there. So you can make this bun as big or as small as you want. I want a big old juicy bun, so I'm just taking that piece and I'm just going to bobby pin that together. And then for the perimeter of the bun, I'm just taking some bobby pins and just bobby pinning it all around that bun. So because you can see my hair in the middle, I'm just taking a piece from the top of the bun and the bottom of the bun and pinching them together. And then I'm going to put my bobby pin in there so that it will hide my real hair. All right, y'all, but that is basically it. My tutorial on this big juicy bun. I was super bored, so I'm happy that I just put this up. Let me know what you think down below, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all on the next video.